Hello everyone, my name is Ginovie Pascual and I'm from DED 2A and welcome to Take Talk on Ginovie TV. So, let's start. The question is it necessary for teacher to learn about school curriculum and why? The answer is yes. Of course, teacher really need to learn about the curriculum. First of all, it is important. A teacher should have it, especially in his or teaching here, and she will take what he will teach in his class. Like in creating and managing a curriculum is one of the most important functions of a teacher. So it is absolutely necessary for all teachers to be, and it is very important for the teacher to learn and understand about school curriculum. As every teacher comes with different experience and background, a school curriculum will always help the teacher to adjust in the environment better. The curriculum process provides opportunity for teachers to be creative and put their unique stamp on the classroom experience. And that's all. Thank you.